Dumpster rental service in Lady Lake, Florida. Are you tackling a home renovation, yard cleanup, or construction project in Lady Lake, Florida? Efficient waste management is essential, and All Things Dumpster Rental is here to provide a hassle-free solution. As a trusted local provider, we offer reliable dumpster rental services tailored to meet your needs. Our company provides a range of dumpster sizes, including 11, 15, and 22-yard options, ensuring that you have the right container for your project. Whether you are clearing out old furniture, handling demolition debris, or managing a large-scale cleanup, we have you covered. We take pride in offering same-day or next-day delivery, so you don't have to delay your work. At All Things Dumpster Rental, we believe in transparency. Our pricing is straightforward, with no hidden fees, giving you peace of mind throughout the rental process. We also prioritize eco-friendly waste disposal, making sure that your debris is handled responsibly and in compliance with local regulations. Once delivered, fill the dumpster at your own pace. When you're done, contact us, and we'll promptly haul it away. Serving Lady Lake, All Things Dumpster Rental is committed to making waste disposal easy and stress-free. Contact us today at 352-804-8783 to book your dumpster and get your project underway.